Welcome to the paradise. It's one of my reference beaches to practice my asanas of yoga. This is Pirambuzios beach, south side of my town, and I was trying to perform some excellent asanas. It was a little clouded this day, and but the sound of the waves were extremely strong and perfect, because I was concentrated in my movements, in my poses, but the sound of the wind, the leaves of the palm trees, and the strong sound of the waves completed the concentration that I was having necessary in that time to perform in my asanas. The sand over me was allowing me to make different movements that I never experienced before in other times. I was performing, for example, in this moment at tripod. Tripod with your hands in the sand and your head in the sand. It was an amazing experience. When you float inverted in the asana, you can feel all the energy flow while I performed the tripod. Back again very slowly with my feet in the sand, feeling my abdominals so hard, stretching my legs and my arms behind of my back, and with only one point of support, my head in the sand. It was a quite very good experience for us who practice yoga in front of the ocean. Salutation to the divine, looking to the heaven and feeling the air passing by me. Chaturanga, facing downward, plank, side plank. Now vinyasa. Vinyasa, very difficult, but at the same time very satisfactory. Feel the flow of the energy. Turning back to the other side, stretching my legs and feeling so free in the middle of this beautiful nature. One more vinyasa. Stretching everything. This is very difficult. You must stretch your legs, your body, one of the legs, and only using 3 supports, 2 legs and 1 hand. But it's an excellent vinyasa because you can feel that your power of the body is increasing every time when you practice yoga. Facing downwards. Now jumping and advancing with my leg, salutation to the sun, back again with my legs, turn on to the other side, facing downward, one more time, advance the movement, facing downwards with only one leg, advancing one of the legs, and salutation to the sun one more time. Amazing experience. Touching the ground, feeling the sand of the time, moving my body, sometimes slowly, sometimes fast, sometimes almost at the step. Salutation again, feeling the breezy, advancing with the body, touching the ground again in the sand, planky, advancing the planky, opening my legs and arms, starting the warrior 2 pose to one of the sides, trying to keep the balance, holding on in this position, reversing, looking up and repeating the warrior asana. to the other side. Hold on. This position. Really need the balance and strong all the muscles. Keeping the balancing, opening my legs, trying to put the chest in the sand, and trying to open as maximum my legs in a front split. Chaturanga, little jump backwards, all the body in the sand, facing dog downward, chaturanga, and a small jump, I fall down on the ground in a split. Open my arms, legs open. This split is very pleasurable sensation. Now in this moment I touch the ground and feel all the way. My beautiful, lovely yogini aula following now this asana, sirsasana and kapha. The beautiful view. The concentration in the pose is very important in this moment. Feel the water. One more time alone, finishing my poses. The water is looking for me, landing slowly in the ground, chaturanga.